As we all know, spring is coming, and as excited as I am for the warm weather, the pool days, the beach days, the flowers, the aesthetic, literally everything about spring, we've got some prep to do. So in today's video, I am going to be completely spring cleaning my room, my closet. We're going to be fully deep cleaning everything and fully prepping and getting ready for spring. So if you're looking for motivation to get your spring cleaning done and fully prep for spring, this is the video for you. Welcome back to my channel. So what I'm standing in is a messy room. What I drive in is a messy car, but nothing compares to my closet over here. It is such a mess. It is such a mess, and I've been putting it off forever, mainly because I knew I was going to be doing this video at some point, so it's my fault that it looks the way that it does. I let it get to this point. But with that being said, it is time to clean out that closet. Also, the light in it is out, so I have to wait until my dad gets home from work so he can change it for me. So it's a little dark in there right now. So if I'm being honest, I don't feel like doing this today. I am so unmotivated. Like, I chose like the worst day to start filming this video because I'm sick and I got like 4 hours of sleep last night. So it's not the ideal day to be doing this, but we're gonna do it anyways because I want to go into spring. I want to go into March with the best mindset, with the best cleanest space. Like, I just want to do all my spring cleaning so that spring can be clean. So I'm gonna put on my headphones. We're gonna listen to a little audiobook today. I think I'm gonna listen to Daydream by Hannah Grace. I started reading it and I'm not like too into it. Like, I'm not like obsessed with it, but I'm just gonna listen to it and try to get further into the book and maybe try to enjoy it. But let's do this thing. Let's clean that freaking closet. Okay, so I cleaned up all of this part, which is honestly what I was dreading the most, and obviously the floor. I still need to like sweep the floor, but I like picked everything up, and like I said, I cleaned this whole area off and just made it look so much nicer, and I was able to throw away a lot. But now the next like most dreadful thing for me is these right here. Honestly, like, my whole goal is to get rid of like as much stuff as possible, and I say this literally, I'm pretty sure everyone says this every time that they clean out their closet. Anything I'm not wearing right now, it has to go. If I haven't worn it for the past like 3 months, it's gone. So if it's not something that I'm always like gravitating towards, I'm gonna get rid of it, because I just, every time I clean out my closet, I always say I'm gonna get rid of so much stuff, but then I end up keeping so much stuff, and I literally can't even close some of these drawers now because they're so stuffed. So this is when I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff. And I also just need to like refold all the clothes in there, because that's also part of the reason why I can't get it closed, because it's all just like a mess, all just thrown in there, not even folded. So we're gonna start with those, and then we can work on like all my actual clothes. So far I'm literally getting rid of so much stuff. Again, sorry for my voice, I literally sound like horrible. It's just because I'm sick, but I'm getting rid of so much stuff. I'll show you guys like the full amount at the end, but so far I filled up 2 garbage bags, which is crazy. But now that I've done all of this and I went through my clothes like all here, I'm gonna go through. I don't even know what that bin is. I really need to look through that because I don't even know what's in there. But then I have these 2 bins with like purses, I think. Just like random stuff that I need to go through. I never really use purses. I kind of just use like tote bags and stuff, and so I don't need a bunch of purses that I never use. So I'm definitely gonna go through there and get rid of a bunch. So let's do these bins because that's like literally the last step to my closet. I feel like I thought that this was gonna be like a 3-day process. I can't believe how quickly I've done it and how much I've gotten rid of. Okay, so before I show you guys my closet, let me show you the amount of clothes that I'm getting rid of. So all 3 of these bags are filled with clothes that I'm getting rid of. I'm so happy to be getting rid of that many clothes because I just feel like there was so much that I just wasn't wearing anymore, or that like I would wear like very occasionally once I realized that I wasn't wearing it, but then I wouldn't wear it again. So I'm just very happy with the way that it all turned out. So let's do a little closet reveal. So yeah, I'm just really happy with the way that it all turned out. It's just like, it's literally so much cleaner, and I can actually walk inside my closet now and I can close and open all of the drawers in there. I do need to eventually get more hangers because I don't have enough to hang like pants. Like I need more of those clippy hangers, so I have to like have like a folded pile of clothes on top of those like drawers right there because I don't have enough hangers to hang them up. But other than that, I'm so obsessed with it. I love it so much. So even though I should be productive and like also do like my room and my car, right now I'm just so not feeling it, and it's raining, so I don't really feel like going out and cleaning my car right now in the rain. So cut to future me to clean my room and clean my car. You guys, it is actually 2 days later because you guys, it is actually 2 days later. Oh my god, can I get through a sentence? I'm sick with the flu right now, and anytime I talk for a long period of time I start coughing, so that's great. I wasn't feeling good when I filmed my whole closet clean out thing, but it wasn't as bad. Like that night after I finished that, it got so bad. I had a high fever, I was not feeling good, it was literally just horrible. And all day yesterday I spent the entire day in bed, and then today up until I'd say like 2 o'clock I was doing the same exact thing because I have the flu and I'm not feeling good. But nothing says spring than the flu, right? Spring flu season. But anyways, I am feeling like a little better right now. I've been like moving around, and so it feels good to like be doing stuff. So I am gonna deep clean my room right now. It's not like too bad like mess wise, it's more of like the deep cleaning that I want to do, like actually like cleaning my furniture and the floors and everything with like actual cleaning products rather than just like picking stuff off the floor, if that makes sense. We're doing like a deep clean, So before I have a whole coughing fit again, let's get to cleaning. I'm gonna put on a little audiobook. I think I talked to you guys about this. I also have serious brain fog because of this sickness, so I don't really know. I don't remember what I was talking to you guys about, but I'm listening to Daydream by Hannah Grace right now. It's getting a little bit better, but I'm still not like loving it, but I have like 5 hours left, so we're gonna be able to get through a big chunk of that while I deep clean my room. So let's get to cleaning. It is so nice to not have Christmas sheets on my bed anymore because I changed them to my pink sheets that I usually have on year round, but this year for like Christmas and like winter I got snowflake sheets, and so I've had them on my bed since the end of November, I'm pretty sure. So it was a long time, and we're going into spring, so we can't have winter sheets on our bed. So I have like my plain pink sheets on now, and it's just so cozy. And it's good that I have clean sheets because since I've been sick, it's good to just wash everything and get rid of any germs. I feel like I'm like the small majority of people who like don't really care what it looks like on the outside. Obviously if it looks like horrible then I care, but like I don't care that it's dirty on the outside. I care about what it looks like on the inside, and it looks absolutely horrible. There's just a lot of like garbage and like sand and dirt and stuff that just needs to be picked up. So I've been putting this off for so long. I think I have a weird thing with vacuums. I think I don't like the noise or something because I hate vacuuming my car. I will clean my room, I will clean my closet, I will clean anything 100 times before I clean my car, which sounds so stupid. But today's the day, we're spring cleaning. I'm gonna clean my car. But first, before we like vacuum or anything, I need to go in and pick up all the trash. That's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm also gonna probably clean the windows and stuff too. They're not like too bad or anything, but I just want to just wipe them down and stuff. So let's first go through and pick up all the garbage. Are the little coaster things that go in like my cup holders. Look how nasty that is. Like, how did that even happen? It's so gross, but these need to be wiped down desperately. I'm hoping just like a wipe will do it, but it looks serious. I don't know if this is like soaking worthy. Like, I might need to soak these in something. These are so gross. Okay, yeah, this is not really coming out very well. But I cleaned the windows, I picked up all the trash, so now is my least favorite part. We have to vacuum. I don't know why, like, I hate vacuuming so much. It must be the noise. I think it's just the noise. I don't know why, but I have this like weird thing with the noise. It's really bad. I don't know why I'm still doing this. It's literally not doing anything. My room is clean, my car is clean, my closet is clean, which means that all my spring cleaning is done. And I feel so good. I just got such big things done and taken care of, and now I don't have to worry about them, and everything just feels so like refreshed and ready for this new season. So I am so excited to get into spring, and you can look forward to lots of spring videos, lots of spring content. I'm so excited that it's getting warmer out. Beach days are coming back, warm weather's coming back, pool days, beach days, days in the sun. I'm just so excited. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys so soon. Bye.